Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little late. Sorry everyone. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little late. Sorry everyone. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little late. Sorry everyone. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little late. Sorry everyone. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little late. All right, can you guys hear me now? Yeah, can you guys hear me now? No, perfect, guys. All right, sorry guys, I'm a little late. Thank you guys for understanding. We are 6 minutes away from this market, Globex Asia, to open. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to set this up yet again. All right, guys, I want to call out. We have a account. We got Take Profit Trader account giveaway, guys, today. TPT. All right, guys, I'm just gonna. One second, guys. I'm trying to complete. I'm gonna try and do a giveaway here right now. Okay. Now there you go, guys. Just follow the instruction. Type in the use tiger. Type in the tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on a giveaway, guys. All right, so now Joker's Trades. What is going on, brother? What up? Chuck Yoli, Anthony Bowser. What is going on, Bowser? All right, by the way, guys, just a quick recap on what happened today. I had a pretty bad day because I lost some couple of very important accounts, but with that said, though, I also got into some decent payout as well today, right? So still quite disappointed at myself. However, let's think positive. Let's just think about the good stuff what just happened, right? So just to give you a quick recap, I got the payout on my top step today. That's a little over $2,000, which is great. Right? We've got what we need. And then on top of that, I've got my take profit trader. I made $2,000 there. So that's what I will be requesting a payout today as well tonight, probably in front of my fellow traders. I will get that done, and then hopefully we have a pretty decent day. Now, overall, coming into the month of November, to give you guys a little perspective where we are right now is I've already made now, with including all the payouts that I've made so far, we've got a little over $14,000 of payouts so far to date, which I think is fantastic. And on top of that, we still have some 25 accounts to kind of play throughout, of course, the entire month of November. So while we wait for our Black Friday offers, I guess the firms are kind of coming up with nice offers, but I don't know if that is it, right? We probably have much more to come. For now, based off what I know, we probably have some more exciting deals maybe coming on board. All right, so we'll wait and see. I mean, it's no brainer. Linux is only 70% right now, so we probably see that 91% off coming in fairly soon. And of course, we've got Apex as well. We got Top Step also coming up with some decent offer. Probably that's just what I've been hearing so far. So, and then of course we got Trader 5, Lucid, and PDS actually had a pretty hot deal, $8. But then I tried to load in some accounts this morning. It wasn't there anymore. So I wonder if that was really. I thought it was till the end of the morning session. However, it kind of the offer disappeared, I think, during the midday. So it is what it is. I missed it. I don't have the $8 account anymore, which kind of sucks. But we'll move on. Let's try to trade. I'm going to be trading. I'll start the day trading my Apex account, and let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to be with the micro. I wonder what this market's going to do. Did it actually end up filling the gap though to the upside? I'm not really sure. Right, just taking a look from a bigger, larger time frame on a one hour chart. We still have 3 more minutes, by the way, guys. We actually, man, look how volatile this market was today, guys. Incredible, right? Just think about it. We got all the way into the 700. We got rejection. We pulled back all the way back into the 623, and we've done that so many freaking times today. It wasn't even funny anymore. I was like extremely frustrated with this price action that we had today this morning. But anyways, here's Johnny. What is up, man? G Torres, what up? Luba, Profit Factor, El Paisaduro. That sounds like Ecuador. You whore. Oh my god. Guys, man, I can't even call out your names. Anyways, so we are here right now. We're in the Globex Asia. It's about to start in 2 more minutes, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading today. Thank you. All right, 2 more minutes. All right, guys, one more. 30 more seconds to go, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading today. Yeah, I wouldn't be trading my take profit trader because I need to get the payout. A little over $2,000 on one of my accounts. Good luck, everybody. You have to be here. I'm just gonna let you know. Probably in about 2 hours, I'm gonna be calling out the winning number. Oh, by the way, guys,
the market is open.
Okay, I'll call out the winner when we get to the 150 likes, guys. I'm gonna pin that message as well. If you guys want to take a few seconds of your time to smack the like, guys, before you forget. Good luck, everybody, once again, if you guys are trading right now. All right, guys, the market's open now. Globex Asia is open, guys. We are up 0.2, 0.1. All right. I wonder if we are gonna finally break out of this area today. I kind of like what I see so far.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Yeah, Tradevate is kind of disappointing, to be honest, man. I got into some disappointing situation with Tradevate as well. And the market was obviously moving pretty fast as well, so too bad. Just one of those days, I guess. Top step is not working right now again, really. I think top step is working. I see the top step is working, guys. Top step's working. And of course, you guys know I took a payout today, so where's that account? All right, guys, I'm down about $50 right now as I speak.
Filled.
Don't forget, I think today's the last day for Apex account. Apex, what do you call this promo that they have right now? 70% off with $40 activation. So requesting another payout from Take Profit Trader. Justin Right. Justin Right. Let's do it together, bro. Let's just do it together. And exactly at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'll be here till 9 p.m. We'll do it right at the time. We'll do it at the same time. I love it, brother. How much you're taking out? 50,000. What's that code for Top Step? I have no code for Top Step. I'm not an affiliate with Top Step. I don't think they have any code. Yeah, just right. Anybody taking payouts from Take Profit Trader today? Yeah, what a great feeling, man. You know, I had a rough morning. I really had a rough morning. I'll tell you why I had a rough morning. I did a lot of silly stuff, like looking for an extension I did not get, right? I was looking for that extension. As soon as I was looking for an extension, I thought it was a confirmation. I should have waited for the retest, but I did not do that. Instead, I hopped on along, and the market started to tank really hard, right? It kind of faked you out, reversed back down pretty quickly. I didn't really get a chance to kind of even get out of my trade. But also at the same time, I traded mini contracts instead of trading micros. So thinking it was a micro. Obviously, that was not the case. I realized that only after the fact that this, the dollar, the PNL was kind of moving so much. And I was like, oh my God, I'm in the wrong side with the wrong contract size. with the wrong instrument. I was like, oh my god. Well, it's just one of those days, right? It was a difficult day to kind of trade, I'll be honest. Very, very tough day. However, I've also made some decent profits. As you guys can see on my P&L status, I put a P&L there. These are all my P&Ls that I've not all, but I think some of them are already here, so not bad. I lost 4 accounts today, but what a rough roller coaster, guys, man. One day I'm down 12, one day I'm up 700. I had 2 days of $1,200 or less, so on my listed account, and then these are all the green trades that I had today, which is fine. I mean, but yeah, too bad it's not. It could have been better, put it that way. But the market was obviously not very easy either. So, well, we got Bowser, man. Look at this Bowser killing this market, guys. Oh my, look at that. Nice, nice, nice. I like that, Bowser. Great stuff. Great job. Yeah, and we got our payouts, right? We got our payouts as well. All right, let's go back into our trading. The market is really kind of chopping here. Sitting at what again? 662. I've got 5 micro contracts. I'm trying to go long, and I will try to scale into my trade. Right, I'll scale into my trade on a pullback here. So, all right, guys, I'm down about $100. How much drawdown do I have on this bad boy? I've got $2,300. I think it should be okay. Is this market going to be kind of similar to what we had this morning, like up down up down? Honestly, I wouldn't mind if we do that. I mean, as long as we don't really deep down all the way back into 600, I think we should be okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna make another request as well today. I'm making another request, okay? I've got another request I've got to make right now. I'm making a request now, guys, as we speak. Yeah, these are my Rhythmic accounts payout that I'm making a request now. I'll share that with you guys right here. Just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna share that with everybody as well. So, are we? Oh man, is this going to be a pullback here? All right, so I've got 6 contracts here. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna
order canceled.
Yeah, doesn't look really good, to be honest, but we still have this last trend line that we can kind of look at and go, okay, well, we could get a bounce off this level. We may try to retest the low, of course, if we can't get a bounce off this level now. So we'll keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye on this. All right, in the meanwhile, guys, another payout, guys. Another payout. $6,000. Am I gonna get denied on these payouts? I don't know. We'll find out. But $6,000 payout. Another one right now, guys. $6,000. Baby, let's go, man. Another $6,000 from Apex here today, guys. I don't know if they're gonna get approved. Everything else is kind of like a guarantee. I've never got denied by anybody else. Obviously, the Apex is the only one exception. So we'll see how that goes. That's a $6,000 of payout request that I've made right now. And in 2 more hours, we're gonna make another payout request with who? Take Profit Trader. How much? $2,000. There we go, guys. We'll see how that goes. This is not a guarantee. I still have to wait, right? And if I get denied, obviously I share with you guys. When the pending status changed to denied, then I share the reason why I got denied with you guys as well. So if I don't, let me know. But I usually share. You know, if I get denied, I usually share, right? So $6,000 share I've requested now. We'll see how it goes. And now we are back into this trade again, guys. Let's see if we hold the 654 right now. Yeah, Justin, right? It's not a guarantee, so we're gonna have to wait and see. Just give me a few days. Hopefully they come back and either they approve or guys, man, what is up with this market now? This is usually bearish, but I'm down to 134. Yeah, I'm still holding 6. Well, I've got too many 6 contracts, actually quite a lot. Anyways, who cares? You requested $2,000 yesterday and got approved today. Zen 25, man. On what? On Apex? Is there an Apex? Mr. 71133, what is going on, brother? You deserve it, Tiger. Hey, I don't know if I deserve it, but at least I don't give up. You know what I mean? Right? I think one of my strengths is that I don't give up, you know? And every time I get mad, it kind of cool off, like probably in about an hour or two. So I'm back to like scratch one, right? Is that Timmy's? No, that's a Starbucks. That's Starbucks. That's Starbucks, guys. I'm treating myself with a Starbucks after getting some decent payouts. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know if that's my edge, but I can certainly tell you that I think one of my strengths is I just don't give up. You know how even after getting to some really crappy trades and blowing accounts. 1 second, guys. I think there's something going on right now. We are pulling back here pretty hard. I am not going to add to my position, guys. This is just one of those moments where I keep adding and then it pulls back, pulls back, pulls back. So, all right, guys, I'm going to exit this trade. All right, let's try to exit that trade, guys. I don't know, man. Yeah, I mean, do we have some news coming out right now? I have no idea. I mean, I don't get it. Why? All right. Oh my god. Now I'm getting mad. Now I'm getting mad. Look at that, guys. Are we just gonna reverse back all the way back into where we started? I don't know. It looks, I don't know. We broke underneath that, so this could be a nice little retest of the 642. I wonder if we are gonna get a bounce or maybe get a rejection of that level. Oh, you were trading gold? Yeah, RTS, man. Gold was a different animal. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, I mean, what am I gonna do right here? I don't know. That's a pretty ugly pullback there, but yeah, I'm not sure what to do, honestly. Honestly, I'm not sure what to do right at this level. Yeah, let's just wait a little bit, you know, kind of like give this price action. I'm only down $300, so I'm kind of like, okay, well, the $300 can be easily made back again, right? So I'm not gonna really cry about it right now. You're surprised that you got so much volatility later in the day, especially with the banks closed during New York. Well, that's what it's all about, right? Top Step X works for you? Yeah, it works for me as well. So, am I missing some comments? Oh my god, there's so much of message I can't even read the message anymore. Can you see one more low at the left hand side? Alright, so we are getting a bounce back up again. Maybe I should have held that trade. Too bad I got out, but I mean, it was just one of those things, right? Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, look at that freaking bounce, man. Fuck it. Is this gonna be like that chop that we had today? Down and then up and then down. I'm not gonna get tricked by this. Yeah, I can place a trade, yeah. Damn, guys. Literally just bounced. I just gave $300 for no reason at all. Yeah, better be safe than sorry. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. I wonder if you're just gonna chop here. Just want to be a little careful with my trades. I mean, you've never gotten payout from Top Step. It's I guess it's kind of easy for some, it's difficult for some. It's not really, I mean, just think about it, guys. We had a lot of traders taking a lot of payout from Billanox, but if you ask me, it's one of my more difficult ones to kind of get payouts, right? So it really depends on the firm. I don't think it's the rule that's kind of like putting yourself in a difficult spot to get payouts in certain firms. It's just, you know, naturally, I don't know, it's your mental, right? It's just your mind is just not ready to kind of trade that firm. That's it. There's really nothing else. Do not like, I don't honestly, I don't want to complicate, you know, to try and find the reason why I'm not really doing well with certain firm. It's just the mindset, right? So I'm not gonna overthink. At some point I'm gonna do really well, right? And that's really what happened to a lot of my firms that I've been trading. You see, my funded futures, I killed that last few months ago, right? I killed it. I spent like $1,000, $1,500 to take over $25,000, $25,000 to $30,000. Really profitable. Really kind of scares the firm, right? When you have that kind of a stat.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I'm shorting this right now. I'm shorting this back again. And I am going to place a hard stop, though. I've got 10 contracts here. I'm going to place a hard stop. Let's see if we get a bounce back again.
Order submitted.
I will be, of
Order
course,
submitted.
disappointed, but I mean, I am going to place a hard stop, though. Right? I want to place a hard stop. I want to make sure that I don't get chewed on this trade. Right? I've got a hard stop there, guys. My target on this is going to be the initial low here at 630. I don't know, man. It's just we could try to, yeah, it's hard to say what this market, well, we'll see, guys. My target here is 630. I kind of feel like, you know, this could be a nice little rejection trend line as well. But we got a rejection off that level, and maybe we try to pull back here back into 630s before we kind of like try to get a bounce back again. Because if you just think about it, guys, we got this initial oh my god, look at that bounce. We are getting a bounce. I was wrong.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I got stopped out on the, fuck me. What the what the heck, man? Hold on one second.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled.
No, I'm a little pissed, man.
order canceled.
Yeah, man. I had a rough morning, so I guess maybe that's a little bit of a continuation here today. Is that what it is? I have no idea. Right, I've got 16 contracts. We'll see how it goes. And we get a bounce back up again. I'll probably end up exiting this trade at 660. We'll see, guys, man. But this market almost kind of feels like an extension of what we had this morning. A real hard chop with a lot of fakes. Fuck me. Oh my god, guys, man, what a nasty, man. What a shame. What a bad start, guys. Not a good start. Not a good start, guys. I think I better be a little careful in the way I trade. Not a good start, guys. Not a good start at all. I'm a bit disappointed. A bit, not forget about disappointment. A little pissed. That's it. Yeah, I'm still in the trade, but I'm just kind of wondering if I have to exit this trade. I'm down to, I've got $1,600 profit on this still yet, but I mean, now look at that, man. That's a V-shaped bounce, man. I swear to God, I hate that so much. This is the same thing that happened today as well. Oh my God. Fuck me.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Yeah, we'll see.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled.
That's it. If we gets above 665, I'll exit my trade with a big fat loss there. Nothing much I can do now, other than the expectation is that this market's gonna chop up down up down. We had a down first and we had a up, and then now expectation is we have a little bit of a down back down from this EMA 660 resistance. Now if we hold this and we try to continue moving upwards, I'll probably end up exiting my trade at 660 here. Very annoying, guys, very annoying, but what can I say? Just one of those moments. All right, so here we are, guys. Maybe yeah. We'll see. I'm still in this trade. Looks like we're gonna bounce. Oh my God, I can't believe that, guys, man. The volatility is real. We just gave back like 40 points and we got a bounce now 40 points. Oh my God, this is incredible. Fucking yeah, I'm gonna have to exit that trade now. Fuck.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm just a little bit annoyed. It looks like we're gonna keep getting a bounce, I guess. Is that what it is? This market's gonna try and do, or we just get another pullback hit down into the 630s. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. Incredible, incredible, everybody.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I've got a 3 mini contracts here. Let's see. I'm gonna have to take a stab at this. Maybe it's not a good idea. I've only got $1,000 drawdown, by the way. Not the greatest, but I don't know.
Order
Stop
filled.
filled.
Yeah, let's do this trade.
Order filled.
Wow. Incredible, guys, man. Incredible bounce. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Maybe try to get it back. I don't know. Shit.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Oh my god, look at the fucking bounce. Guys, man, what the F is going on right now? Yeah, looks like this is gonna get cooked, guys. Too bad it's gone. Looks like it's gonna go. Unfortunately, I don't know. I'm gonna hold on to this. I think we could kind of chop maybe two, for all you know. So I kind of agree. We'll try to hold it, guys. We'll try to see what happens now. Do we get a little bit of a surprise bounce? I don't know. Maybe, possibly. But we could also get a pullback here, a nasty pullback down. But the thing is, right? I went short right at that high at 663, and I got stopped out, right? And it stopped me out. And guess what happened to this market? Stopped me out, and you got a pullback here, obviously. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh my god, incredible. Anyways, I guess at the end of the day it's my fault, so I'm not gonna blame anybody. The bull's looking strong. Let's see. Yeah, the bull's looking strong and the bell's looking strong. This could be a roller coaster day, I guess, right? Bulls are here. Being Asia, I was shorted 40. Well, we'll see, guys. Anything can happen now. I've got 3 micros, 3 mini contracts on this trade, so yeah, we'll see. I mean, I could end up blowing this. I mean, it's fine. It is what it is, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna get too concerned about blowing this. It is what it is. We move on, guys. It is what it is. Oh well. The thing that frustrates me is that, you know what I mean? Like, it stops you out and it gets a pullback, and then the pullback continues. You know what I mean? Like, that's what frustrates me now. It stopped me out there in that 630, and you got a nice, beautiful bounce, and then I try to short this again from here at 660, right at the top, and then it gets a pullback. Stop me out. You know what I mean? That's what drives you nuts sometimes, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. You know, it's like one of those moments. Nothing much you can do. That's what drives people crazy sometimes, right? When you are in a trade and you say, okay, I'm going to exit this trade. You're exiting this trade for a reason, because you're seeing that aggressive sell-off and it's not come to that support level. So obviously you're kind of going, okay, well, I think I'm going to exit and I'm going to wait. And then guess what happens? The market starts to get a bounce. And when you try to short, it stops you out and then it pulls back on you, right? And now it's pulling back right now. This is exactly what I was freaking looking for, and it's gone now. Oh my god, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Field.
These are funded accounts. I'm not sure. I don't have the drawdown to even play this anymore. Let's try to see if I can actually get something out of this.
Submitted.
I don't know. It looks like we could see a pullback here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Oh, why
filled.
I've got so many?
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I only got $100 drawdown on this. So any bounce here, this could go. So
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
ooh, guys, it's a bit annoying. Yeah, I've got 10 micros right now. I've only got like 90 bucks drawdown on this. I can't believe I just ended up just giving everything back to this market. Incredible. It's just extremely incredible. Incredible. I don't know. Let's try to see if we can, you know, make a little comeback here. But I've only got so much drawdown anymore, so that's gonna be tough. And with this kind of a chop, maybe. I mean, no, I'm not pissed because of this price action right now. This is a couple points up and down. Doesn't really matter. The whole process of getting cooked in this is what you know, is what driving you crazy, right? That's it. But it is what it is, guys. We gotta move on. I just want to get it over with this account and then maybe move to something else. Yeah, I don't know. Look at this wonky price action right here, guys. I've got $88. This is gonna go any moment now. I just need a 5 points bounce and then it's like, ooh, it's gone, baby. $50. It's gonna go now. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a bounce. Yeah, it's gonna go now. All right, it's gone. It's, yeah, forget about it, man. I'm not worried about this account. Let it go. It's fine. It is what it is. Yeah, drive me crazy sometimes, but nothing much I can do.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. It's gone now.
Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled.
How did everybody do today? Ooh. Yeah, I'm a little mad, but I'm gonna cool off. That's fine. Just give me 5 minutes. I've got a short memory anyways, so I tend to forget everything that happens in about 5 minutes. Yeah, the more I trade, I take money from the market. That's fine. Oh, you did great in your latter half of the day, Sean Hazel. That's great, man. Good stuff. Oh, perfect play, crushed it. What did you do? Trade options or what did you do? Oh, on the rally up. Did that rally actually hold though? I thought we got a rally and then we actually dumped the market. Early Asia is horrible. Yeah, early Asia, man. Asia is just the garbage, to be honest with you. Just the garbage. I shouldn't be trading these accounts at the time when it's really difficult to trade this price action, but it is what it is. I've done it. I've lost it. That's fine. You're up, down like a yo-yo. Yeah, I know, man. It was up, down, up, down. It's pretty crazy. Yeah. Don't look at the gold. Why? Is something going on with the gold? Don't look at the gold. Yeah. Something going on with the gold, I guess. Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Oh my god, man. I'm worst in Asia. I'm worst in Asia. And you know what? Even if you... Oh, look at this gold, guys. Wow, are we gonna get another leg to the upside? Is that what it is on gold? Yeah, gold is... Yeah, if we are at the resistance, yeah, you're right, man. That's a big, massive resistance zone. I wonder what this gold is gonna do. I have no idea how you get into gold, man. Don't ask me. I'm not the one entering gold. It's our fellow traders on our Discord and YouTube, having a lot of fun with gold. That yeah, I've never really had a big success with gold, to be honest, man. I never really had big success. The only success I really had was, well, maybe not even that. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a big success trading gold. You know, I mean, I would have traded for a couple $100 up down, but I mean, overall I'm pretty like pretty bad from a winning rate perspective. I'm kind of down quite a lot trading gold, so I'm not great at gold, and I don't like gold at all because of that reason. But kind of annoys me with the gold. Yeah, I mean, you have to play the trend, I guess, in gold, right? It's a different animal, but you also have to think about the size, though. The problem with me is that I kind of try to size the same as I sized NQ on gold. I don't know if that's the way to do it. I know a lot of you guys are actually using the same size, but I don't know how you do it, you know? If you're on the wrong side, you blow up your account, right? That's the problem. I don't know, man. I just kind of feel like, you know, it's going to put you in a really difficult spot. Let's just say if you are with too many contracts on this gold right now to the long, but if this thing pulls back into the 46, you're down about $1,000. You know what I mean? Have to size down with the wide stop. So that's what I'm kind of thinking, right? I mean, if you're gonna size down and put a wide stop, then why even trade gold? You know what I mean? There must be a reason why you're trading gold instead of NQ. You're trading gold because you want to make more, because it's got a better price action. You can actually have a much bigger potential move to either side and you make much more, right? But you know what, to make much more, you've got to also get into the same kind of like a similar size the way you do with NQ, because if you don't do that, and if you try to go with 1 or 2 micro, then I don't know, are you going to be able to make the same amount you make in NQ? And that's the thing, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know, maybe I could be wrong. You need to risk what you can lose to gain that. Yeah, you know what, NQ scalper actually made a really good point. You need to risk what you can lose. That's a good point. Yeah, I like that. Sometimes has a very technical price action. You're in a gold trade right now with no risk. What do you mean by no risk? No risk. I have no idea what that means. No risk trading gold. Yeah, this market is just an absolute garbage, guys, man. I don't even know what to make out of this price action, to be honest. it's hard. I exited that trade at break even, really. $4,700 of drawdown on this, so.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 652. That's where my hard stop is gonna be. Gold will ruin your life if you don't want you. If you don't want, you do. With no loss, stopping the money. I like that. Yeah, but you're still risking profits. Yeah, you're still risking profits when you're trading gold, right? So. I mean, you know, I don't know. I just, I know a lot of traders, they love trading gold, and I get that, you know. I mean, kudos to you guys if you're doing really well with gold, but I kind of feel like, you know, you're also going to lose the same amount at some point, you know what I mean? Trading gold. Because if you're going to make, like, say, ×4 what you make trading NQ, you could also lose that much more, like, you know, ×4 trading gold, you know what I mean? So that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, am I okay to risk that much more than how much I risked during NQ? And that's because you can easily, like, you know what the thing is, right? If you just get into 2 NQ, and if this starts to pull back, I don't know, 10 points, 20 points in GC, then you're gonna end up blowing your account whether you like it or not. You know what I mean? So I don't know. GC love to retest EMAs. Just wait there for the pickup and get. Yeah, born to win. I think you have a good point. They like to respect the EMA. You know what? Yeah, you're right. Just take a look at the EMA, guys. We've been respecting the EMA. Lower high, lower high, lower high, until it's not. Until it's proven not, right? We broke out and we pierced through that EMA, but then we kind of chop, and yeah, it just kept staying above the EMAs. I guess you're right. Yeah. Good point. Yeah. And it's very trendy, right? Gold is really trendy. So if you're kind of on the right side of the trend, I think you probably end up making money whether you like it or not. But the thing is, you've also got to have a really wide stop, like what somebody just mentioned here on the stream. If you don't, because if you don't, then I think you could get pretty, you know, into a bad situation. So. Yeah, man, that Apex account blown pissed me off, man. Pissed me off. It takes me a lot of time to kind of like blow an account, especially when you're trading on New York. And Globex ASIA kind of took one down like pretty quickly, you know, on a lot of stupid trades as well. So anyways, love you guys. You know what? This is what it's all about, right? Right? I show you blown accounts. I show you everything. Good, bad. You know what? I kind of crapped. I kind of sucked in this whole process for the 1 hour I was trading. Very bad. I shouldn't have gotten out. Usually I would not do that, right? Usually I like to add to my position, skill in my trade. I don't know what I had in my mind, but you know what? Just one of those days. Your mental, right? It's all up there. And that's what it's all about. Consistency. I kind of failed today, so we'll try to make it up, guys. We'll try to make it up. Oh well, we'll try to make it. Look, now we are getting a pullback here in gold. I'm really trying to think about how to play this gold. You know what I mean? I'm really thinking about it right now. Time to trade silver. Oh my god, I can't even trade gold. What silver are you talking about? Gold like to make a dip wick to grab your, yeah, you know. And by the way, guys, man, I'm having a huge problem with rice. Are you guys having a problem with rice pay? I swear to God, man, I freaking hate them so much. They're like the slowest guys to pay you. I don't know, man. I just literally don't like the way they process your pay. You know, I've got 2 payments from Tradify. I'm still waiting. I haven't got the money yet. Really annoying. Rice pay, man. They really gotta better get their stuff together. Yeah, but I guess a lot of the firms are using rice pay. I wonder why. Maybe it's the cheapest freaking platform to use. I don't know what it is, man. But they suck. Oh my god. You like brown rice? Rice. Guys, man, stop making fun of my pronunciation, bro. Like, what the hell, man? Come on, guys. Brown rice. They're just slow, man. It takes like, I don't know, it's taking me, I don't know, a good 6 days, probably a good 1 week, I think, for them to process your pay. Oh really? Do they have a lawsuit going on right now? I have no idea.
Order
filled.
I have no idea if I don't know, man. I just don't like the way they stuff. They make you wait for so long. I think it's about a week, or I think it's about 10 days to get you paid. Plain is pretty fast, right? Plain is pretty fast, and who else is there? Even PayPal is much faster. I tell you what, man. PayPal, it's the very same day you request. The money's in your bank account the late night, the very same day. Rice Pay, as soon as you process, it takes about a week. And they're the only ones I'm like, you know what? Oh man, guys, like, what the hell's going on right now in this market? Another chop here, a pullback here. I don't know.
Order cancel.
I'm not gonna get tricked by this guys here again, so I'm gonna have to place a hard stop here right now. Might as well start doing that, right? I'm gonna place a hard stop here, right at 650. Let's see. Oh, this price action has been really terrible, guys. Yeah, Weiss is also fast. Yeah, you're right. The Rice is the only one that's extremely slow. Very annoying. All right, I'm long, and of course, looks like we've hit the top there. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's just the chop, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out if he pulls back here, guys. I'm not interested in trying to hold this, but I will end up going long here though. Rather pull back here back into 640s.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And that's why PROPFIRMs like them. Really? Issuing. Oh, Rise also handles taxation, issues 1099. Not for the states though. Maybe cost Canada. Maybe anyone else from Canada that had an issue. I don't know if this. That's why PROPFIRM select them. 6 minutes. Get some action. Check out the Discord. Let's take a look. What's that? That's actually pretty quick. Maybe that's because you're in Canada, right? Maybe that's what it is. Oh man, it takes you 2 days. Oh yeah, definitely mine's taking 7 days, man. Yeah, okay, I see. Maybe it's because you're in Canada. I guess that's what it is. Really? Yeah, that's really all I can say right now. Yeah, because you're in Canada. Yeah. Thank you, Canada. You made my day. Welcome to Canada, everybody. Yeah, I think the rice pay when you're in the States is a lot faster. Yeah, sorry, man. I thought it was everywhere, but I mean that's not the case though. When you take a look from PayPal standpoint, PayPal is actually pretty good. It takes me a day, right? Everybody else as well. It's only that rice pay that's kind of like pretty ugly. Oh, maybe in about an hour. Really, Gen 25. Okay, I see. Yeah, so that's really because you're in Canada. I guess that's what it is. What? True for guidance, Tiger. What about My Fund Futures? Do you like them? I hate them so much, man. I hate My Fund Futures so bad. It's not even funny anymore. Why do you like My Fund Futures? Because I think they just they make certain decisions at their discretion without really thinking about it, right? So yeah, I just don't like them at all.
Order canceled.
I just don't like them at all right now. Fuck me, man. What the heck is going on right now, guys? I just keep buying the top and setting the bottom here.
Order canceled.
Oh my god, this trading has been pretty horrific, everybody. So I've got 12 contracts right now, and of course I'm down. Look at that pullback. Oh my god, incredible. You've got to be joking. everybody. All right, oh, we got Tokyo open now. Is that what it is? Okay, I see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled.
order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, there we go, guys.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order
Not a bad
submitted.
trade after all, I guess, right?
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
I'm down to
submitted.
4 now, guys. I'm down to 4
Order
contracts.
cancelled.
We'll kind of try to hold this. See if we can actually make a little bit more. I do kind of feel like maybe we try to get a bounce back into the 680s. So I'm gonna look for a target back into 680s and look for that nice little squeeze back up again. By the way, thank you guys for being here today. We've got a giveaway happening here tonight, guys. That's Take Profit Twitter 50K account. Guys, if you win that account, there's no activation fee, okay? Make sure if you win, you pass that account. Good luck, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well if you guys want to support the stream. I will call out the winning number, not the winning number, the winner, as soon as we get pretty close to our proposed likes, okay? So if you guys want to support the stream, please go ahead and do that now. Thank you guys so much for your love. And thank you for your patience as well. Thank you for watching StockTiger get roasted by NQ today. However, it looks like we are coming back here stronger on one of my other accounts. So we'll see, guys. Not out of the woods just yet because I still have 4 more contracts I'm trading now. Looks like we're getting a little pullback here. I don't know if we're going to hold this. If this market does not want to hold, that's totally fine. I am going to reload, re-add to this position on a pullback down. So All right, so looks like we're getting a little pullback. Let's see, guys. I think we hold now. I think we hold, to be honest. I'm gonna hold on to this, guys. I mean, or maybe I should try to trade something else instead of trading this account, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, let me just hold this, guys. I'll exit this trade right now.
Filled.
I made 474. It's okay, I'll take it. We'll trade something else.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Submit, order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So I'm kind of thinking we have a little bit of a double top here, right? Kind of happening. So we'll see, guys. We're in the triangle now. Eventually, I think we try to break out of this area. I'm leaning more obviously to the upside though, right? So I think the more we kind of hold this area that we just talked about. One second, guys. The more we try to hold this level. Oh my god, horrible.
Order filled.
The more we try to hold, god man, this trade drawings are horrible. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. One second, guys. 1 second. Oh, I've got 3 contracts here.
Order canceled.
Oh my god, horrible. Yeah, guys, man, I just can't draw in this trade for some reason. Just not really good at. Just not one of those platforms I can kind of like use to place my drawings. Unfortunately, I can't do that, and that's why you guys don't usually see me draw on this chart. Mostly you see me draw on X chart, Project X, which I'm kind of like, you know, starting to really like the trade rate, but I mean, it's not user friendly in a way. It's just really hard to kind of draw and put your levels, right? Anyways, it is what it is. Gotta get it. David Stewart, what up? What is up, Trade Current? Hassian 585. Guys, I'm sorry I'm not able to call out your names right now because we it's going out pretty quickly, the chat, and you know, it's I kind of feel like I'm missing a lot of comments. If it's directed to me, just call it out again, right?
Order filled.
Because I've got 10 contracts right now. I'm long right now, guys.
Order filled.
Ah, what is this drawing coming up? Oh my god.
Order submitted. 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 Order
filled.
All right, guys, I've got 20 contracts now. Well, let's see if we can actually get a nice little pump here.
Order submitted.
I don't know. I mean, if we end up getting a pullback, I probably, at the end of the day, I'm gonna hold it until like 640, right? And then that's it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold this. What if he does something like this? It could, but I'll try to quickly get back into the long position if we end up getting a nice little bounce back up again. So I wouldn't just sit and wait, right? Like the way we did here on this trade here. So if we do something like this here right now, then I'm gonna quickly try to re-enter long, and I'm gonna try and do that. So we missed out here. I exited on that bottom there, a short-term bottom, and then of course the market rallied back up. So we'll see how that goes. We are in that chop world, yeah. We're in that chop fest right now. It's going up down for now, but I kind of still think we at least get a bounce back into the 674. Try to retest the high here, and then I don't know. We'll have to wait and see if that holds. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here. Of course, the Tokyo is already open. Tokyo is already open. We're down to 658 as we speak. 658, and I've got 20 contracts. I'm down about 200, a little less than $200. Oh yeah, I think if we get approval, sorry, not approval, if we get a payout approved on Apex, that's gonna be huge, guys. It's gonna be a monster, right? It's gonna be a monster month. Because that's gonna literally put me over $22,000 right now. Like literally, not even halfway through the month. It's gonna put me over 20k, probably give or take $22,000, right? Because right now I'm sitting at 14, and I request another 6,000. Well, yeah, so that's 6,000. So if you do the math, it's 20,000. Yeah, you're right. So it's about 20k. Then we're gonna get pretty close to like 30,000, right, for the month of November. It's getting pretty close there, guys. And that target's getting pretty close to reality now. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's wow, man. I don't even know what to say. Surprisingly, one of my profitable what do you call this? And the bigger payouts are coming from Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Top Step. I guess that's not really surprising at all, but I've got to step up on other firms too, so we'll try to do that, guys. But yeah, but not a great day today, right now, and this morning as well. I didn't really have a good day at all this morning, and on top of that, tonight doesn't seem any better. So you guys are witnessing the worst of the worst right now, guys, with a lot of reds. I'm the red, the biggest red trader. I can't wait. 2468. Oh, actually, you know what? I have another one. So I've got yeah, I'm still waiting for another payout approval. So that's total $8,000, guys. I've got another $2,000 that I requested a few days ago, and I haven't still got anything. No approval, no nothing yet. It's still pending status. So I don't know how that's gonna turn out to be. Hopefully that's a pretty good approval. By tomorrow morning, you wake up, it's like, you know what? Usually they're pretty good at sending in an email like at midnight, right? It's like, congrats, PA approved. You know what? Right in the morning. Sometimes they're really good at that. They usually send approval or denial like right at like 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't know about you guys, but for me it is. That's what it is. What about you guys? Anybody? Let me know. Yeah, but you know what the thing is? As when I'm kind of like really struggling to get the payouts, right? Or maybe like obviously you guys know Apex is not a daily payout, right? So you got to build those accounts and get to the buffer and get way above the buffer to request the payout. So while we are working on that process, Take Profit Trader is what really comes in handy. I've been not really good at Take Profit Trader, by the way, you guys know that, but it's always been my top 2, top 3 payout firm. And that's what's really beautiful thing about Take Profit Trader is as I am working through this process of getting bigger payouts with Apex and somebody else, including Top Step, Take Profit Trader daily payouts really kind of helps, right? Boost that momentum. You know what I mean? Like today, for example, over $2,000 the payout request I'm going to be making in about hour and a half. You know what I mean? And at the same time, we've got now Apex payout that I've requested. So all the good things happening all at once, guys. Beautiful time. We'll try to see if we can actually bank a lot more. We've got the accounts. We've got the accounts that we need to get to the payouts, right? We got the ammunition. All we really have to do is now try to get into some decent trades between now through the end of the month, and just make sure try not to get into some stupid trades like the way I did right now today, this afternoon, Asia market. If I don't do stuff like that, I think I should be okay. Kobo invest, what is up, man? What is going on, brother? How was your day? Zen 25, when I refresh Trativate and see money deducted, I feel happy. Oh yeah, Zen 25, yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah, yeah, I know. Every time you try to refresh your Trativate, it's like the money's not there anymore. Woo, it's approved, it's gone. It's approved, it's taken out from your account, and that money's on the way to your house, baby. Ooh. How is your funding ticks account? My funding ticks accounts are horrible right now, guys. It's horrible. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. Don't talk to me about funding ticks anymore. For now, for now. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. I YOLO funding ticks too much. I YOLO too much, guys, man, with funding ticks account. Oh, by the way, guys, we are pulling back here. Oh my God, 1 second. I've got 20 accounts, 20 contracts here, and we are pulling back right into this very important big fat level now. Man, I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna stay put. I'll try to see what happens now. I've got how much drawdown? I've got $4,500 drawdown, so we'll try to stick to this, guys. We'll see what happens now. I've got 20 contracts, so congrats on your horrible performance. Yeah, man. And not everything's gonna be good, right? Yeah, they give you are you guys using the reset for funding ticks? That's what I do. The resets are 30% off, so that's really beautiful thing about the funding ticks is that they're always 30% off the resets, right? Probably the cheapest in the industry, right? I haven't been resetting as much though, but I may have to do that.
Order
filled.
Give my money back, you little Globex Asia. I need my stuff back. Give it to me right now. Let's go. Oh my God, I got a little excited too fast, I guess. This market's pulling back. As soon as I said that, it's like, oh, StockTiger, not yet, not yet, brother. It ended that fast. Is it a 30% of it's all the time? It's not, well, I wouldn't say it's all the time, but pretty much in most of the cases I've noticed, it's always 30%. Monica, Germany, what is going on, man?
Order filled.
What is up, Monica? How's your day going so far, and how's your trades? I hope it's all good. All right, guys. StockTiger is back. I feel happy even after being getting a big fat red on that trade. It's okay. It's just one of those days, right? It's got a bound to happen. You know what my goal is? Really not to try and lose all my accounts. Last year at this time, exactly the same time, I lost all my accounts right after getting denied from Apex. So that's the kind of an experience that I think that matters, right? Because at that time when I got denied by Apex, that was like $25,000 a payout that I got denied completely, all of them together, because I was copy trading, by the way. All of them got denied, and then I ended up blowing all my accounts. I had some accounts. Well, no, by the way, when you get denied, your accounts are still there, but I ended up blowing those accounts because I got pissed, right? Obviously, I don't do that anymore, but at this time of the year last year, I blew all my accounts, man. So honestly, my goal is just to make sure I don't blow all my accounts. Because you could easily blow all your accounts for all you know, man. As much as you come up with a great game plan, you could also end up seeing yourself with no accounts left over at the end of the day. right? I never thought I was gonna lose all my accounts either, right? After getting denied, I got pissed and I ended up YOLOing, just tilting every little account that I had. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna blow everything that I've got, right? And that was last year, which obviously kind of sucks, but so yeah, that's my goal, not to lose all my accounts in the month of November, because month of November is going to be very, very important, right? Because you still have one more month for the year to end, and it's really depressing. Can you guys imagine if you blow all your accounts in November and like you have to kind of rebuild all your accounts in December? And that's like the worst thing you can ever get into, and that's exactly what I've done last year. I know how it feels, and I really hate it so bad. Like, it's not even funny, man. I hate it so much. Now it's like, well, I know how it feels. I don't want to be there anymore. And I don't think it's going to get there because I'm not copy trading to begin with. So if I lose an account, I'm going to lose that one at a time. So that's, yeah, that's, oh my God, really? Rob Walsh, that's where you are. Full tilt the last 2 weeks. Rob, man, hey, bro, I was there last year, man. I'm telling you guys, it's not a joke, man. It was real. I blew all my accounts last year, right? Lost all my accounts because I got denied and I was pissed, and I just cannot get away from this emotional trading. I just couldn't do that. But I really tried to guess what I did. I ended up building accounts, but very, very slowly, right? So in December, the first 2 weeks of December, I only had like 5 accounts I was rebuilding, and I was trading slowly, one at a time. And then towards the end of December, that's when I felt like, okay, well, I think I'm kind of getting better at this, right? And that's when I really, really loaded, like very, very aggressively. Very, very aggressively, I loaded. And by the time I got into 2026 January, I had quite a lot of accounts to kind of play with, right? And that's where I started to get some bigger payouts right at the Q1 2026. And that's why I have a strong strong year this year, because I loaded a lot of accounts last year in December, right? So, but it obviously I had to go through a very painful process, right? It's just not, and not everything is rosy. You really got to have a lot of discipline. It's really tough, guys. This trading journey is freaking hard. I'm telling you. If you think you're gonna be like, I may be sharing $6,000 payout right now from Apex, but you know what? The whole process was not easy, right? You had to be really patient, and you got to be okay to lose accounts here and there, right? And that's exactly what happened today. I'm not okay with this kind of a session where I lose an account in 5 minutes. I'm not okay with that. But I've got to forget about it, right? I got to forget about it, and we got to move on. We got much more important things to do. So, right? At least we lost that account, but then we also made on others, right? And others are gonna give me the payout that I need. So, even after getting an approval on these accounts that I requested today, I am still gonna have quite a lot of profits still there, right? Because that's $2,000 of profit that I'm requesting, but then I'll still have like $2,300 of profit already still there, because I've already built so much of profits, right, on a lot of these Apex accounts, including my Apex Rhythmic as well. So.
Order filled.
All right, guys. What a nice comeback here. Not as bad, right? Not as bad. I'll take it.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted.
God. This is what it's all about, guys. You get knocked out by the market. I got played by market today so bad. It's not even funny.
Order submitted.
I lost 4 accounts today this morning. But at the same time, I made lots of profits on a lot of accounts across the board, and I don't know how to count, because I did share a big portion of that P&L on if you just take a look, right? I shared here. That's why you guys, man, you guys got to be on our Discord, by the way, man. Right? I go here, Look at this roller coaster, man. Down $1,200 twice and try to come back. Oh my god, man, it's a roller coaster. Here as well, lots, right? So I keep sharing. I mean, honestly, more than me making profit, it's about did I lose accounts that really matter the most. This time around I lost 4, but it wasn't like the most important accounts, so I'm not feeling as bad. But I mean, the fact that you lost, that obviously makes you feel not as great. But I mean, anyways, guys, I'm down to 9 contracts now, and we're getting a bounce, guys. Nice little squeeze that we're getting right now. Let's see if we can actually get back into like 700, guys. My target 700 here. Gotta find the resistance tomorrow. Gotta find the resistance tomorrow, not today. Captain Price, not today. Poor Pablo in the house, man. What up, man? You've been away for long. What is going on, Poor Pablo? Are you winning that Tradeify Grand Cup? Are you the champion now? Every time you lose a trade, I'm always doubling. Thank you, scalper, man. You know what? Yeah, everybody has a tendency to double down, right? When you get into losing trade, you know, when you get into losing trade, you try to double. Yeah, you're right. You know, I completely agree. And if you get lucky, you bank. And that's exactly what happened today for me on my Take Profit Trader. I made $2,000. That's obviously the daily payout that I'm going to get today. After getting pissed, right? Not a good example, but I mean, see, hey, I beat the market on an account that really mattered, and I'll take it. Trading is super hard. Owning a business is hard too. Yeah, owning a business is even harder, guys. Owning a business is even harder. If you're successful in owning a business, then I think you could be a good trader. Michelle, can you explain how you trade evals compared to funded account? Because you definitely have a lot of accounts. Tiger, in the future. Tiger, did you see the videos posted on Discord? Victor, I think I did. Yeah, Vic Med. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I did. And that was actually pretty good, Vic Med. Pretty good call out on that trade that you made. I'm assuming somebody else also saw it, so yeah. What was it again? Michelle asked me a question. I can't remember what it was. Yeah, how do you trade? Yeah, honestly, I don't trade. I trade evals honestly a little bit more aggressively, but the way I trade does not change. It used to be a little different last year. So last year I used to really YOLO as bad, like forget about the patterns, forget about anything else. I would just attack it. You know what I mean? Even if it's a really bad probability setup, I would just go after it. You know what I mean? I would just go after full tilt, full port all the way. But I don't do that anymore this year. For example, I trade the evals the way I trade funded accounts. The only difference is that I may be a little bit more aggressive, right? That's it. So your chance, obviously, of blowing that account could be higher, but at the same time, you could also pass quickly as well. So, but the way I trade the evals is no different this year. It's been the same as trading funded accounts. The only thing is I've just been a little bit more oversized. That's it. Right, so if I'm usually 1 or 2 mini contracts, I would be like 4 or 5 mini contracts trading evals. Especially when I kind of feel like this market is trending the way I feel like this the market's gonna get to, then I'll be a little bit more aggressive to try to ride the trend, right? And then try to peel profits along the way to the upside. Adam, what up, man? How many evals funded accounts do you usually have at a time, or try to keep at a time? Honestly, I don't think about how many evals I'm gonna have at a time. I think more so than evals, I think it's the funded accounts, right? I would always like to make sure I have my comfort zone with the funded accounts in that 20 to 25 funded accounts is where I kind of feel very comfortable, right? So if I kind of feel like I'm losing accounts and the funded accounts are kind of dipping down that 20 accounts, then I will start to work on my evals from there. But until that actually end up happening, I don't want to spend any more on evals. You know what I mean? I want to work on the buffers. So Ideally, I like to see myself over 20 accounts at a time on a funded account and try to build a buffer on those 20 funded accounts. And then when I feel like I've got enough buffer and I've got over 25 accounts at a time, and then that's when I could reload evals to expand, I guess, the overall portfolio, if you will, right? To try to, you know, at the end of the day, you're trying to get more payouts, right? So, you know, pushing your limits, right? That's what it is. You guys know, on an average, I get about $25,000 to $35,000 a month. But now sometimes, you know, when I've got a decent sized amount of funded accounts and I've got enough buffer on these existing accounts, then I'm going to try to test my limit, right? Try to see if I can expose myself to much bigger payout. Sometimes successful, sometimes not, right? And that's exactly what happened. If you think about it, the Q1 of this year, my average was about $10,000 to $15,000 a payout. But coming Q2, my average is about 30, and coming Q3, it's getting better and better, right? It's just getting better and better. And so this year I have seen a pretty strong progress. Like, it's been nicely moving to the uptrend, not just from a payout standpoint, but obviously from the trading perspective too. So anyway, guys, I'm just yapping too much. Sorry about that, guys. Let's just wait for this market, guys. Market is not really doing anything right now. We're sitting at 682 and we're trying to retest the high. I've got 6 contracts now on this account. I'm obviously trading the funded account, right? As you guys can see. And by the way, guys, I've got how many more minutes now? Oh, we gotta wait another 1 hour for our payout. I'm gonna be requesting a payout, guys. Oh man, another payout. Dali Lopez, 25k. No, 25k, 25,000 on an average. That's the payout. The expenses are anywhere between, I would say, $2,000-3,000 to maybe $6,000-7,000, right? Depending on how much payout do I get in a month, right? So sometimes if I get over $35,000 a month of payout, that's when I probably have about $6,000 to $7,000 of expenses. I'm just giving a give or take, right? Just giving you guys an example. The expenses will be higher as we have much bigger payouts, right? And that's just part of the process. You're not gonna expect to have like $500 expense and get 40,000 payout. Just doesn't work that way. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. But I like to always, my sweet spot of expenses is somewhere in that, I'll be very honest with you, it's somewhere in that $3,000 to $5,000 is where I like to have my expenses stay within that range, right? Oh yeah, I mean, of course, yeah. I'm definitely, oh yeah, of course, net green 100% without a doubt. Net green 100%. Yeah, so see, like, I'll tell you something about for example, my take profit trader is a good example. Bowser just talked about spending 7,000 3 weeks. I lost a lot of TPT. You know what I did? I started TPT with 5 accounts. Okay, I started with 5 accounts, take profit trader, right? I failed 2. Sorry, no. I had 5 accounts. And as we get closer to today, I had 3 accounts and now only have 1. Did I work on any of this account to rebuild? I did not do any of that. Why? Because I didn't want to spend any money right now. I didn't want to spend any dollar. So I kind of stopped and I said, you know what? So be it. I'm going to use one account, and try to see if I can get the daily payout using one account for now. Right? And that's exactly what I've done. I've only got one account, Take Profit Trader. As you guys can see on my left hand side on that chart, I've only got one account. And because I lost the other accounts, right? I lost 2 accounts trading gold. A few days ago. I saw a few days ago. I think it was 3 days ago. I lost trading gold. I'm not gonna lie, I traded gold. And when did I trade that gold? Overnight. I said, okay, you know, by the time we wake up, we're gonna be a millionaire. You know what I mean? We're gonna be a millionaire. Everybody talking about gold on our Discord. Oh, gold, 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 right? I'm like, you know what? Okay, let me try to get into the gold. And I went like 3 mini contracts. And then I wake up, the account's no longer there. So it's like, you know what? So that's the thing, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm really trying to manage my expenses too at the same time. As much as I want to get into good trades, I think one of the things that I did this year that I didn't do last year is that managing expenses, right? I think that really truly becomes very important, right? And that's why you guys don't see me calling out too many offers because you know, because I like to leave that to your discretion, right? I do call out offers, obviously the promotions on our YouTube chat as a banner, but that's pretty much it. I don't really constantly keep saying, you know, this promo, that promo. I don't really necessarily do that as much. Because on one side, I don't want you guys spending too much money too, right? Because I'm trying to refrain from trying to spend as much. Obviously, I've got a set of budget that I like to spend within that range all the time, right? Consistently every month. But sometimes I get over, it depends, right? Sometimes the game plan changes. Sometimes I want to load in some accounts that that we never had that sort of a promo before, and we get some really hot deal. Then yeah, I'm gonna spend you know, $1,000 to load in a whole bunch of accounts. You know, if TopStep, for example, if they get rid of their activation fee, then you guys are gonna see me load in like, you know, maybe 10 accounts. I don't know how much that's gonna be. Maybe $80. I don't know. What do you guys think that TopStep is gonna come up with? All right, man. TopStep, you heard me, right? We want to see TopStep $75 to $80 with no activation, okay? You had the best result with, yeah, I mean, hey man, think about it. I made $2,000 today on Take Profit Trader on one single account, man. I just, one single account, $2,000, and I'm gonna be requesting that payout tonight, and I'm gonna be doing that with Justin Wright. Justin Wright also got a payout. I think he's made some big profit on that Take Profit Trader Pro account. So we're gonna do it together here, guys, at 7 o'clock. Well, it's not 7 o'clock. That's the 9 o'clock Eastern time. We're gonna be requesting a big fat paycheck from Take Profit Trader, and of course by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, hopefully we also have Apex payout approval too. No activation on TopStep. I don't know, maybe do you guys, does anybody know how much you think the price is gonna be?
Order filled.
Order filled.
I wonder how much it's gonna be, right?
Order canceled.
I'm really curious to know. My guess tells me I think it's gonna be about $70 to $80, I think. And I think they're gonna end up losing a lot of money by doing that. They're gonna think like, okay, well, they could probably end up making a lot more, but guess what, guys, man, we got a lot of competition, right? TopStep to stay where they are now, it's just not, it doesn't attract me at all, you know? I'm definitely not attracted to TopStep anymore, to be honest, but I still trade them because they still pay, right? My win rate with TopStep has been pretty good. Very, very profitable TopStep as well. Look at the chart that I've shared on the left-hand side, guys, man. My payout with TopStep is really high. So my target for the month of November was $7,000. And I've already made $5,000, guys, man. Over $5,000 of payout they've already made in November. I'm only like $2,000 away. And that's easily doable, right? And everything's just getting pretty close, right? TopStep house accounts are the worst. Really, Tommy Tom? What do you mean they're the worst? No, they will make more money. Oh, you don't? Oh, you think they're gonna make more money? Really? Is they don't have to pay the data going forward? What do you mean they don't have to pay the data going forward? Who's gonna pay for the data? Is it us? Sean Hazel, you're consistent. You're consistent. Oh, I mean, you can always be more consistent, right? Am I happy with my results so far? I mean, I'm not going to complain, but I can also get a lot better, right? I make a lot of stupid mistakes myself. Yeah, of course I tilt all the time. But at the same time, I manage my risk. I think equally as I don't know if good, but at least I try my level best to stay disciplined, of course. I mean, if I wasn't really disciplined, I would have literally lost all my accounts right now by now, right? So TS pays for data in live accounts. Oh, I see. So no extra fees when you go live. I don't know, man. I have no idea. Maybe I should be happy with I guess, I don't know. We are hitting that resistance now, guys. 688. It's a really hard resistance there. As you guys can see, that's a big fat area where we just can't get past that level now. I think by tomorrow we get through that. Maybe we do it today. I think we may be able to do that today, guys. We maybe pierce through this 685, and we could really try to push back up into the 705, and then try to retest the high here at 25,700 area, guys. For all you know, so we're not really far off. We're like 80 points away from this initial high, and that's a 765 that we could get to. Yeah, I think we could. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm gonna retest all-time high. Well, I don't think that's out of the woods. Yeah, I still do think maybe it's kind of be possible. Tiger, is it worth paying 150 billion activation? It depends. LK trade. If you don't have any firm, if you have zero firm, and if Billanox is the, well, not Billanox, if you are looking for that one firm to kind of start trading with, then I don't know if that 150 for the Billanox activation is worth it. But if you got several other firms you're already working with, then yes, then Billanox can be your third or the fourth firm that you're working with, right? And that 145 activation could be worth it. Yeah. What account size do you use on Take Profit Trader? I use 50Ks usually. I usually use 50Ks. You know, I mean, the 150Ks kind of seems like, you know, you may end up holding on to those accounts for longer. But for me, I mean, I think 150Ks are pretty much equally the same as 50Ks. I probably held the 50Ks the longest time, I guess, right? Sometimes you're a little bit careless when you're trading the 150s because in your mind, you kind of feel like, oh, well, I've got a lot of buffer. I've got a lot of drawdown, right? And when you have that mindset, you end up blowing that account, right? 25K is the best for Take Profit Trader. I like the 50Ks the most, and that's kind of like my sweet spot. That's where I make the most, right? So. Oh, hey, Justin Wright. They updated the dashboard, guys. Take Profit Trader updated their dashboard, so I've got. I'm requesting a payout now. Oh my God, guys. Hopefully they approve that today, guys. Oh my God, everybody. All right, guys, I'm gonna share that again. All right, everybody. My payout. Oh, oh, look at that, guys. Oh my God, look at that, guys. So here, hey man, hey, Justin Wright, go check your dashboard. They've updated their P&L. No, this is Take Profit Trader, guys. This is the Take Profit Trader. So $2,000 from Take Profit Trader and $6,000 from Apex that I'm still waiting. And then of course you guys saw that, right? I requested here as well. This is Top Step. So Top Step, Apex, and Take Profit Trader. And of course you have more. There's some more. I can't remember where it was. Probably you gotta scroll up. Oh, good stuff, guys. And this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about, guys. Right? This is what it's all about. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think they the daytime saving is, yeah, I think you're right. Maybe earlier. I don't know, man. Usually, if it's daytime saving, they probably should have been updated at 8 o'clock at night. But now it's what? It's 7:45 and it's already updated. So we got what we need. I love funding ticks. I'm just trying to get my stuff together. Funding ticks, I've already taken $1,800 from funding ticks, but I'm gonna have to do a little more. I've got to do a better job. I've got to do a better job in maintaining my accounts. I kind of feel like I lose my accounts more often than not on funding ticks, right? Like I hold Apex accounts for the longest time. I hold Tradify accounts for the longest time, the Top Step as well for the longest time, but I just don't seem to be able to get together on my funding ticks for some reason. But I still get payouts on a regular basis. It's just that I like to see myself probably get the most payouts from funding ticks. I'm just not able to do that right now. I'll get there. I think hopefully maybe by the time we get to December, I think we'll see a much better progress. I just got to get better at it, right? I don't know why. Maybe it's because I've got too many accounts and too many accounts with not copy trading. It's not easy. That's the problem. I'm like kind of like stuck submitted. In that
order
filled.
I'm going to make some decisions, right? Maybe I may have to copy trade 2-3 accounts at a time. You know, like I know a lot of you guys are telling me to do that, but I just don't seem to feel comfortable doing that. So that's the problem, right? So I'm like, that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, it's a bit overwhelming. And that's why you see me not do well with certain firms, because by the time I get to that firm, trading that firm, I end up giving back to the market. And that's probably because maybe I'm already a little exhausted, right? I don't know. Maybe overtraded. Nat 2 definitely could be it too. We'll see. I'm gonna have to think about it. I haven't decided what I want to do. I probably end up trading, 2 or 3 accounts at a time, kind of copy trade, and that way I can kind of get to maybe, I don't know, 40-50 accounts. We'll see how it goes, guys, man. I'm still have not decided yet. If I buy 5 Tradify Lightning accounts and one of them exceeds 4th payout, all accounts will be closed and transferred to the single live account. We have a huge Tradify live trader on our Discord. He's one of our mod. Goes by Nick. I don't know if he's here right now, but I think I do recall him saying all the accounts get combined into one. That's what I heard. I think that's what he said as well. I may be wrong. You want to check that out on our Discord, brother. But I think that's what it is. I think they're gonna combine all your all your accounts into one. I don't know if it's one. I think you could have maybe 5 accounts, 5 live accounts, or maybe not. I don't know. Savage, yeah, I can do that. I also have to add a column on how much of payouts that I've already made. But by the time I start to do that, it's gonna get bigger and bigger, you know what I mean? And by the time I finish this chart, I'm not gonna have my trading chart anymore on the screen, because this Excel sheet is just gonna cover the whole entire page. You know what I mean? That's what the problem is. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just stick to what's really truly most important for now. But I will be doing recaps, right? Going forward. I'll be doing recaps, and during that recap, I'm gonna be explaining and going through how much I've spent, how much I've made, and then that's it. I don't know, man. On golden, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I haven't gone to
Order
the live
filled.
count, so it's hard for me to.
Order filled.
But that's what I heard. But again, I'm like it's. I'm not 100% sure though. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little break out of this area, guys. This is truly important. I am going to exit this trade right now, guys.
Order
$600.
filled.
Too bad, man. You know, I had a chance to make a good trade on my first attempt on the first account that I traded this Globex Asia, but unfortunately, that's gone now. I don't know why they keep logging me off, man. Really pissed me off. All right. Yeah, I think we're trending to the upside. I think this market's kind of getting ready. All right, I'm gonna move to MNQ, and I'm really gonna try and downsize my position here.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, what was that, guys? Oh my god. I don't know. I pressed the wrong button and it got sold. I entered one and it got sold. Oh well.
Order filled.
Let me just go now one. All right, so I'm gonna look for a little pullback down, possibly into this area, and try to see if we can actually pull back up again.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just not comfortable using the dorm. Weird, I know. Zelda Palm, what up? Total Sniper. Taiwan in the house. K-Sue 6890. Sculpture Rare. All right, guys. I think it's we're getting pretty close to that time of the day to call out the winner of this Take Profit Twitter account giveaway, guys.
Order filled.
All right, we're getting a pullback here. I kind of like it to the upside, to be honest. I still do.
Order filled.
Yeah. Hey Jimmy, type in this on the chat. Do I get 2 tickets? I wanna find out if I can get another one. Well, you can only get one ticket, I guess, right? That's what it is. Okay. I thought I get 2 tickets by typing in Tiger again and again, because I do kind of notice quite a few typing like many times, thinking they get another ticket, but you only get once, guys. I've already assigned only to get 1 ticket, even if you type in like multiple Tiger. Anyways, I think it's that time of the day, guys. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you guys are here and you guys have not smashed the like, please smash the like. If you guys want to support the stream, thank you so much. Love you guys. Thanks for being here as well. Now it's that time of the day to call out the winner of our giveaway here today, guys. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. No, man, it's not, you keep saying it's Tim Hortons. It's not Tim Hortons, Starbucks. I did a little bit of an upgrade myself today. I said, you know what? I had a decent payout coming out. Some decent potential payouts coming out as well. So a little bit of celebration myself. I hope that's okay. I hope that's okay, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entry now. Don't tell me to reopen again. I'm gonna get very upset. I'm gonna get very upset. You've got to verify. You gotta capture a screenshot of your channel with that name of the winner, right? And it's got to be exactly the same. I'm gonna take my time this time to make sure I verify all the names on the winners too. So if you guys try to trick me, you guys know I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. You know, it doesn't have to be through the email. Just contact me on our Discord, guys. Just talk to me through Discord. That's, yeah. Just DM me. Yeah, this market's really slow right now. Yeah, no volume at all for sure. $50K funded account. Any recommendation? Funded account or eval account? I'm newbie here. I don't follow what you're saying. I just hear order filled, not know where you bought or sold anything in closing trade. John, that's totally fine. That's all good, bro. Just keep watching. At some point, you're gonna kind of understand what I'm trying to get to. So you don't have to understand all that right now. And by the way, guys, Discord link Guys, Discord link is here. All right, guys, I've closed the entries now. I've closed the entries, guys. I've closed the entries. JPTP trader, thank you, brother. I wish you also the very best in your trading journey. God bless. Oh really? Gold? You're trying to show this gold? Well, what is going on with the gold? Is it dumping? I don't even want to look at the gold because you guys know I'm gonna start trading that gold bad boy. I don't like that at all. Gold is tanking. Oh my god, guys. It's time to make some mochaccino gold trade here. Oh my god, guys. Oh dear. Guys, this could be a little bit of a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out.
Order filled.
Right? What do you guys think? Maybe a little bit of a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out. Oh, but this is at 100 ticks chart, man. No, no, no. Or maybe this could be the double top as well. Right? I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, in order to kind of validate this trade, I think we've got to see a pullback
Order
here, back
filled.
down to the 41.30. I'm gonna place a hard stop here in that. Yeah, I'm gonna place a hard stop here at 1. Yeah, 41.42. 41.42 is where my stop is gonna be. And let's see, guys. I'm in a. Oh my god! I'm trading gold, guys. I'm trading gold. What the heck is going on with StockTiger? Get the hell out of here! And by the way, I was in some trade. Oh my god, NQ getting a bounce, which is great. And I think we continue to try to push back up again on gold, guys. Oh, NQ.
Order filled. Order filled.
NQ. All right, guys. I've got 8 contracts, and let's see if we can actually target. Yeah. All right, guys. 1 second. I'm gonna try and finish this trade off, and try to see if I can move back to.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna place a hard stop here on this NQ trade. So while we wait for this kind of play out, let's move to my top step. Right, so I've got a hard stop here, 40 on 40. Anybody trading gold right now, guys? Damn, I can't believe I didn't keep that trade on. Yeah, if you were shorting right at the top, that would have been a golden trade. Yeah. Oh, Shanghai did actually open right now. Oh yeah, it's 4 minutes past Shanghai. Yeah, absolutely. I'm trading gold, yeah. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I shouldn't be trading gold. We talked about this. Oh my god, you guys are long gold? Okay, 1 second, guys. Did I make a mistake on this? I kind of like this. You know what? I really like this bearish head and shoulders kind of setup here. I know it did not validate just yet. We still have to break it down into the 4130s, but let me just take a little bit of a risk here, guys. I may be cooked on this trade. You know, I'm okay because I've already taken a payout. Something's going on right now, because I can't add. I can't add my limit orders. I don't know why. That's weird. You see, we could try to retest the high as well. The VWAP right here at the 41.42. I wonder why I can't add to my position. It's weird. All right, guys, I'm long on NQ, and I'm trying to see if we can get a pullback here on the gold. Oh my God, a lot of you guys are long gold. Really? Incredible,
Order
man.
filled.
You guys are killing it.
Order filled.
Man, dude 45 was right. Dude 45 was right. There's the push. Yeah, that's right, man. You were long gold from about an hour ago, really? Oh my God, did I actually get into the wrong trade? Yeah, I think that rejection there was because of the resistance, right? A major level of resistance there. But that's it. That's all we get. That's the entire pullback that we're gonna get today. That's all we get.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I exited that trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, moving back to NQ, guys. We'll try to make it back with NQ.
Order filled.
You guys see this? I can't order, which weird, right? I can't order. Anyways, guys, I think it's that time of the day. I've got to call out the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. Oh man, look at that squeeze in this overall market, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, good luck everyone. I am calling the winner now. Evolution Impulse. Evolution Impulse, guys. Congrats once again, Evolution Impulse. You've got 24-hour to claim your Take Profit Trader account. And of course, I'm gonna go through some tough verification process. Evolution Impulse is the winner today. Congrats. Are you here right now or are you not? If you are here, that's great. If not, then yeah, you've got 24 hours, guys, to claim. Yeah, I have not seen that guy either. I don't know if he's a guy or a girl. Nobody knows. Next, yeah. Yeah, if he doesn't claim within 24 hours, so let's say tomorrow afternoon, then I'll let you guys know. We'll do it again. But again, it's got to be exactly the same person, right? And we gotta go through some very tough verification process. Oh, you guys don't think it's fair to give 24 hours? Okay, then yeah, okay, so going forward, all right, one second, let's do a little vote here. All right, forget about the vote. Yeah, I see what you guys are saying. So okay, that's fine. We'll keep it to viewers here going forward. So there's no 24-hour next time. Okay, you should do 2 minutes countdown. Okay, all right. Yeah, we'll change it up, man. We'll change it up. If majority of you guys are saying that, we'll change. Yeah. Normally, if a person don't respond in 5 minutes, you should redraw. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. You guys said and responded. Yeah, claim it before the end of the stream. Okay, all right, we'll do that next time going forward. I'm like, give them 30 seconds. If they aren't paying attention, they go 30 seconds. Okay, well, 30 seconds is a little too much, right? So maybe we'll give 2 minutes. We'll give 2 minutes, a very, very strict 2 minutes, okay? Going forward. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine, guys. We got a lot of giveaways to go anyways, right? It's one giveaway is not gonna change the world, so we'll get a change for tomorrow, and not tomorrow, I mean whenever we do our next giveaway. And yeah, it's only gonna get better, right? So that's fine. I understand what you guys saying. So I heard you guys. I heard you. Every time they don't claim. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna give 2 minutes for everybody to claim their price. If not, then it's fine. Even 5 minutes in case the winner is in the bathroom or something. A perfect play. I think 2 minutes is I think fair. You don't need more than 2 minutes in the washroom. Give them a few minutes. They could be gone to the bathroom or something. Okay, so what? 4 minutes or 5 minutes? All right. Okay, well, maybe I guess 5 minutes. All right. I think 5 minutes kind of makes sense. I'm trading NQ, and the NQ is not getting a bounce. What are you talking about, Justin Wright? Justin Wright, by the way, Take Profit Twitter updated their dashboard, so you can go ahead and request your payout. I did that a few minutes ago. 2 minutes is enough to log back. Yeah. Should give two from now on. He's not here. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. All right, guys, we'll make it 3 minutes. God damn it. 3 minutes. Take Profit Trader payout, guys. Whoo, baby. Yeah, we got our payouts, guys. $2,000. And then we also got Apex account. Man, we got a lot of payouts coming in, guys. It's like water flow. It just keeps coming in. Ooh, you know what I mean? It just keeps coming in. Yeah, let's keep rolling in, guys. More and more payouts. I wish that payouts are kind of every day. Would be really nice if I can do that. Oh, and by the way, I've got to take a look and see if the funding ticks is also the payout I can make right now, guys. 1 second. Let's see. So I was down $300 on my gold trade. I don't know. I wonder where the gold is right now. Is anybody trading gold? I was trying to short gold and I got cooked. Down $300. Paul Anthony needs more than 3 minutes. 5 minutes is fair. Okay, yeah, 5 minutes.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I think I could request a payout on my my funding ticks, guys. 1 second. 1 second. Oh, Justin, right? That's a $700. Hey, man, that's still good. Slightly smaller than StockTiger, but you know what? It's all good. That's fine. Let's see. That's weird. Why can't I not request my payout? It's weird, guys. I can't request the payout. I don't know why. Oh, I can request the payout tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning, guys. I wonder how much I can request though. Oh, what kind of an account is this? Yeah, the problem is I don't know what kind of an account it is, and that's the problem. I don't know if it's a 1K payout cap or if it's a $5,000 payout cap, you know what I mean? That's the only problem. Are you serious? I'm gonna be up in gold now if I was trading gold. Are you serious, guys? I'm gonna be mad. Oh my god, guys and girls. Oh my god. You just had to freaking believe in that trade, man. That's all you really had to do. Guys and girls, man. Wouldn't that be a beautiful head and shoulders kind of playing out? Double top there as well. I think we plush it down to 41. Unfortunate, guys. I've been pretty bad lately in the last day or two. Today has been a really rough one. Yeah, and that's the problem. StockTiger in trouble. But that would have been a nice little trade that I've got. Maybe I could have got into, right? That was a nice one, but unfortunately, it's not there anymore. But hey, man, guys, at least we're getting some payouts. So let's. So funding takes. I can request the payout tomorrow morning. I don't know why they set a time like 8 o'clock in the morning. Like, what the heck, man? And that's a really very tedious process. Yeah. So I can request the payout tomorrow morning with funding ticks. So that's another payout, guys, from funding ticks as well tomorrow morning. I can't wait for that. Yeah, they could certainly do a better job for sure. I agree. All right, so I don't know what this market's trying to do now. I wonder what the gold is doing. I didn't really take a look at the gold, but all right, Paul Anthony, man, thank you. By the way, thank you for being a member as well. I thank you so much. I don't really see you very actively on this chat, but thank you for always being here with us, and thank you for being part of the member too. Sellers, payouts in the morning, payouts in the evening, nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah, I mean, seller, yeah, I'm not complaining for sure. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm just trying to say, I don't know, there's certain firms, they give you kind of like a time slots where you can actually request the payout. You know what I mean? Just say today or tomorrow, right? Or it doesn't have to be like in the morning. That's all. You went long NQ and stopped for $300 profit and went to your target. Well, yeah. So I'm long right now on NQ. I'm on a 100 ticks chart. I'm not sure where this is. Maybe get a little more pullback down into the 700, I guess, but I'm still in this trade, yeah. I think overall this market's trying to push, guys. I do feel like this market wants to get to 761 at some point today, maybe into tomorrow morning. I'm gonna try and stick to this trade. Probably maybe back down into, I would say, yeah, I'm probably very bearish as soon as it pulls back into the 685. Anyways, that's where my stop is gonna be for now. Yeah, the Globex ASIA has definitely not been very kind. As much as I try to be better at trading Globex, but it's not easy. All right, all my payouts are still pending status. Yeah. StockTiger, when did you request the payout? Well, about an hour ago. And you're expecting Apex to kind of approve your payout now, which is incredibly oh my god, guys, we are getting a little pullback here down to 704, 705. I'm just gonna stick to this trade. We'll see. I hope it doesn't just flush down. 700 is an area of support here. Let's see if that level hold. We got that level now. I would like to see something like this and then try to push back up. Maybe we may try to overshoot it all the way down and try to push back up, right? Maybe grab more liquidity in this area. And we got a VWAP too here, curling back up as well. So it kind of makes sense, but this or this, right? And then we try to get a bounce back up again. Anyways, I'm gonna hold on to this trade. Do you trade my funded futures? No, I don't trade my funded futures. I don't want to trade my funded futures. I used to trade my funded futures though, but I got banned. Why? Because I was just too profitable. No, there's nothing to. There's no story. It's just that I was just profitable. I was just too profitable for them, and they didn't want me to be trading. So that's what it is. That's the bottom line of the story, and that's why I don't like them, because they just decide what they want to do. But if that's what it is, I don't really care, because I've got a lot of other firms to trade. Yeah. I took a lot. Yeah, you know what? I think that's very, very, what do you call this? What's the right word to use? I'm just kind of like, not able to pick the right word. What, is it not fair? I don't know what it is. Is it not fair? Like, if you just take a look from take profit trader standpoint, I mean, I should have gone live a long time ago, but you know, we just couldn't do it, and because that's not my fault, I can't go live, right? So, take profit trader, I'm still trading their pro accounts because I can't go to Pro Plus, right? So, and I've been doing that for a while now. Do we have a problem? No. They've been amazing. Take profit trader is definitely one of my best firms. Very amazing. Even Top Step. I should have gone live 4 months ago. 4 months ago, I should have gone live, but I'm still trading their accounts. Such a great firms, and we've got this silly firm that's just decided to do something else. Obviously, that's stupid. I don't know. Heard great things about. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is definitely one of my better ones. Yeah, for sure. Not that I don't want to go live, I just couldn't go live because I can't go live, right? Because if you, as a Canadian, if you want to go live, you have to. I don't know if that's if that's the law. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure about that. But I think based on what I'm hearing from a few of the firms that I was supposed to go live with, I think you've got to be part of you gotta live in Ontario, right? And that's the only region that as a Canadian you can go live with. So, oh, you're in Vancouver, really? Seller days, yeah. Casino restriction, don't milker, yeah. And you know what, guys? This is the beautiful thing right now, right? We got a lot of firms. If one firm try to take you down, you know, we've got so many firms out there, guys. do not even think twice, right? Move on. There's too many firms you can trade, right? There's too many, and they're all so good, guys. You know, I've been trading the longest with one firm. You guys know I've been trading with Apex forever now, and that was the only firm I was trading for about 14 months. And I felt so uncomfortable trying to move to something else. As soon as I added more and more firms into my portfolio, initially it was kind of very uncomfortable, but you know what? Everything was just so beautiful after that, right? More payouts, more access to deals, right? It's just so much better. So if you're one of those traders sticking to one firm, I think that's to me, I think that's a flag. There's just too many. Even Funded Futures Network is pretty good. You know, it's just that they've got one more layer to getting into the you know, the sim funded account, I guess, right? I don't know what it's called, but is there a professional registration that would allow you to go live in Canada? I'm live on my personal accounts. I'm live on my personal live accounts, guys, right? That's live. What is not live? If you're using your own personal funds, right, to go live. It does. So I don't know what it is that with, you know, trading the PROPFIRM live accounts, you've got a lot of restrictions, I guess. I don't know. Oh my god, yeah. Sagar, more cash, man. Tech Profit Trader just disabled your account saying you had open position. Yeah, man. They're gonna give you a screenshot of your trade or your open position, right? They're gonna give you the screenshot, and you gotta use that screenshot to kind of verify if you were in or not, right? And usually they will not budge on that. I've lost tons of accounts on my Tech Profit Trader a long time ago. Well, not tons, but I mean I still lost a handful by being, you know, like I got into trade and I forgot to close that trade before the market closed, unfortunately. Just one of those things. Anyways, guys, we're pulling back here. I don't know, man. 700's market is just being so wonky. I don't know. Yeah, so I ended up requesting a payout with the Tech Profit Traders, so that's good. Apex 6,000 plus 2,000, that's $8,000 of payout. That's just waiting to get approved. I hope they get approved and not get denied. Really gonna be super duper, guys. It's gonna be amazing if I can get $8,000 of payout approved. I kind of feel like they're gonna approve 2 and deny 2. That's how it's been lately. So, and then Top Step, obviously that's approved too. So, no, man, my gold. I exited my gold trade. Guys. Down $300 on that trade, man. I'm just being, I don't know what the heck is going on, man. Sometimes I trust my trade, but then as soon as it gets closer to my stop, I exit my trade. I don't know. Just not been that great. Especially with gold, of course. I'm frustrating. I'm out of my gold trade, so nothing much I can do. Just lost the Take Profit Trader test account on day 5. Oh my god, you had an open order? Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, bro.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Linux pays faster than Take Profit Trader. I wonder at what point does the PROPFIRM market come so saturated that some of the crappy ones start to blow up. It's gonna, well, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that, guys. Anyways, we are getting a nice little bounce here. I'm just gonna hold on to this, guys, man. I may probably take a few off the table on a bounce here, but for some reason I can't place my limit orders, right? I don't know why. It doesn't allow me to place my limit orders. I'm gonna try to refresh the chart now. Let's see if I can actually place my limit order. Oh, I can now. Okay, so I had to really refresh my my chart. That's really what it was. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, so I had to refresh my chart, and now it's kind of working. So all right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna place a hard stop here. Well, it's gonna dump on me. Well, we could. Okay. So I'll place a hard stop here in that 700 area. Yeah, we'll see. We're hitting that pivot now. It's some either. Yeah, I mean, even the good firms can also get knocked out as well. It's not just the bad ones, right? Anything can happen. There's just too much of competition, guys. There's too much of competition. So if you don't come up with a rule that's gonna kind of protect the firm, then I think the firm will be in trouble. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Anyways, guys, I think this market's really kind of wonky now. It's choppy. It's not doing anything. So I'm gonna have to call it here, right? It was a lot of fun here, guys. We got a lot of payouts. We'll take it. You know, let's try to celebrate the journey. But we'll come back here tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow, guys. I'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex ASIA at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you guys once again for being here today. It was a lot of fun. Congrats to the winner as well. You've got 24 hours to claim that. Today's the last time, the 24-hour. We talked about this, guys. Thank you guys, all of you, for being here today. I had a rough trade. I don't know. It's just it's not been that great. But anyways, we'll move on. We'll try to be better at trading tomorrow. I hope all of you have a great rest of the night. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family, everybody. Thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you. Take care and peace out. Let's go live, New York. I'll let you know, Justin, right? I'm thinking about it. I may be back at my place tomorrow. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Love you guys. Take care. Peace.